All right, so we're talking today about 4-3 triangle inequality question tasks. Can any three lengths make up a triangle? Well, if we look here, we see three lengths here that aren't adding up to make a triangle. I can change my length of my red line, and that is going to now make a triangle. But if this red length is shorter, that is not going to make a triangle. So it's not going to work. So we can't always have three lengths that make any triangle. We have this rule here. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So if we have sides of length 2, 5, and 8, we're looking, is 2 plus 5 greater than 8? Is 2 plus 8 greater than 5? And is 8 plus 5 greater than 2? So if we go ahead and calculate this, 2 plus 5 is only 7. 7 is not greater than 8. So right off the bat, we can say, nope, it's not a triangle. It's not going to work out. If we have side lengths of 4 and 8, let's see here. 4 plus 5 needs to be greater than 8. 4 plus 8 needs to be greater than 5. And 5 plus 8 needs to be greater than 4. So let's see if this happens. 4 plus 5 is 9, is greater than 8. Yep. Okay. 4 plus 8 is 12. Is that greater than 5? Yep. And 5 plus 8 gives us 13. Is that greater than 4? Yes. So in this case, the sum of any two sides is greater than the sum of the third. So yes, this is a triangle. Okay. In a triangle, if one side is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side is the larger angle opposite the shorter side. Whew. Let's just make that a short summary. The largest side is opposite the largest angle. So if we look here at our triangle, this is our largest angle. So there's going to be our largest side. Here's an example. I have three sides, A, B, and C, and I have two angles. I only know two of the measures of angle, but I can find the third one by taking 180 minus 92 minus 45, and I find my third angle to be 43. Now I know all my angle measures, and I can list all of my sides out. C is opposite 92, so this is the largest one. Okay. B is opposite of 45, so this is my middle one. And A is opposite of 43, so this is my smallest one. Okay, so I just list them in order according to what they are across from my angles. Pretty nice and simple with that. All right, let's talk about exterior angles. This is the angle that's formed outside of my triangle. We have interior angles, and I'm going to talk about the remote in just a second, but these three are interior angles. They're inside my triangle. The two further away from the exterior angle, these two, are my remote interior because they're further away. The rule we have here is the sum of the remote interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So I can say I can add those two angles and they equal my exterior angle. It's going to make more sense when we look at this example. My remote two angles are these ones, and their sum is going to be 152 when I add them. We know this because triangles add up to 180, and so this angle here and this angle are also 180. So we know that they're going to be the same. Let's throw in some measures here for those interior angles. Let's say that this interior angle is 27, and we need to find this one. The rule states that 27 plus x needs to equal 152. I want to find x. I'm going to subtract 27 to both sides, and x is therefore going to equal 125. So I can find that missing angle if I know one of my remote interior and I know my exterior angle. Okay? All right, here's your practice for this section. Go ahead and get this done and we'll go through it next time I see you. Thanks, guys.